Hello, this is Orlando with EAW. We're here at InfoComm 2026. We're here showing our Newport NT206L, our dual 6-inch line array, the loudest and lightest in its class, providing 139 dB, going down to as low as 65 hertz, easily being able to change coverage angles from 80, 95, 110 with no tools needed. You just flip this right over, and as easy as that, you can change the coverage angle. It has a flyware that you can fly up to 24 boxes off of one flyware, and that same flyware you can invert it and use it as an adaptable pole mount. In the back, you can have an easy button there for a quick far throw, easily deployable and accessible and movable, and also riggable. Reach us at eaw.com and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.